Here's a few pieces of Lightning Ridge seam opal. Material's been wetted. Help bring out the colours. The rule's in millimetres. Some are better than others with this deal. Light grey potch base on that piece. Bit of black potch there showing through. The piece perhaps lends itself more to being dremelled. This piece is a bit more sort of crystal. The colours there more crystal in nature. Another piece of crystal type material. This piece is a bit more sort of crystal in its nature again. You can see the colour bands there quite pronounced. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.